guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing a nice set for a wedding, so don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. So here I am prepping my client's nail for a ombre glitter design. So even though I say ombre glitter, the glitter is not the ombre style, so it's a two style in one. So I'm prepping her nail. I'm using a hand file to file the surface of the nail. So I'm using a 80 grit file to etch the nail, and I'm not being rough on the client's nail because I don't want any issues with her nail after removal. So I'm just taking my time. I just sped up the video, guys, so I'm not being rough with the client. So she sent me a picture of what she wanted. Oh yeah, I could try and see if I can incorporate it in the video. No guarantees, but let's see how that works out, guys. So as you know, my favorite cuticle scissors I'm using to remove any excess cuticle on the nail, or should I say at the cuticle. So you may hear some sounds in the background. Could be my daughter or the music playing outside. So please forgive me for any extra noise that you may hear in this video. So keep on watching, guys, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment what you think about this set and what you would like me to show you in other videos. So let me know, guys. So there I'm doing the glitter nail, guys. So like I said to you, it's not what you think when I said the glitter design is different than a glitter ombre. So it's a one nail glitter design. She wanted on the pointy finger, so I'm working with my client. So that's the glitter she wanted, and the other nails will be ombre, but it's two different nude ombre together. I love it. At first I'm doing a two nude together ombre with natural nude color with a pink nude, so it's like that kind of tone. So I'm doing the natural tone color first at the bottom, and then the pink on the top. So it turned out excellent, guys. I actually love that combination. I may offer it to other persons who may be wondering what to do, what to use. It's not loud, but still give you a nice faded ombre effect. It almost looks natural, guys. It almost looks natural, but yes, it is ombre. So keep on watching. think about this nail design? It's something you'd wear. It's quite simple, not very fussy, but elegant at the same time. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.